Baba, look! That's the biggest statue I've ever seen. She's so tall.
That's the Statue of Liberty, Sorrow.
Mina, look at that torch. It's so shiny. If she's holding a torch, does that mean she's going camping?
Not really. The torch is a symbol. It means hope and light for people coming to America.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever seen a giant green lady holding a torch? She's more than just a statue, she's a symbol of hope and freedom. Let's dive into the story of the Statue of Liberty.
Baba, look! That's the biggest statue I've ever seen. She's so tall.
That's the Statue of Liberty, Sorrow. She's been standing here for a very long time.
She must be tired. Maybe she needs a nap.
Haha. She never sleeps. She stands tall, welcoming everyone who comes here.
Welcoming? Like when Mama opens the door for guests.
Exactly. A long time ago, people came to America from different places looking for a new home. When they saw the Statue of Liberty, they knew they had arrived in a land of freedom and new beginnings.
So, she's like a giant friendly doorkeeper?
Something like that.
Whoa! Dua, was she built all at once?
Nope. She was sent here in 350 pieces and put together like a giant puzzle.
350 pieces? That's more than my biggest puzzle at home.
Yes, and it took workers 4 months to fit all the pieces together.
What if they put her arm in the wrong place? She would look so funny.
They were very careful. They followed the design made by a French artist named Bartholdi.
Oh, so she's like a teamwork statue. France built her, and America put her together.
Exactly, Mina.
Big Sister Dua, why is the Statue of Liberty holding a giant book? Is she a teacher?
That's a good guess. The book she holds has a very special date written on it, July 4th, 1776.
Oh! That's a lot of numbers. What does it mean?
It's the day America became an independent country. The book is like a reminder of that important day.
So, it's like when Baba writes down important dates in his planner so he doesn't forget?
Exactly. The book shows that freedom and rules are important for a country to grow.
But why didn't they give her a backpack instead? She could carry even more important things.
Well, a backpack might have been too heavy. And she already has to hold up that big torch. Mina, did you know that the Statue of Liberty wasn't always green? When she was first built, she was a shiny copper color.
What? No way! What happened? Did someone paint her?
Oh, that's an interesting fact. She wasn't painted at all. The Statue of Liberty is made of copper, just like some old pennies. When copper gets old and is in the air and rain for a long time, it changes color and turns green.
Whoa! she's like a magic statue that changed colors all by herself?
Kind of. It took about 20 years for her to turn completely green. But the green color actually protects her metal, so she can stand strong for many more years.
If I leave my pennies outside, will they turn green too?
Yes. But I don't think Mama would be happy if you left pennies all over the yard.
Maybe I'll try just one and see if it turns into a tiny Statue of Liberty. Mina! Look at that torch! It's so shiny! If she's holding a torch, does that mean she's going camping?
Not really. The torch is a symbol. It means hope and light for people coming to America.
Oh. So, like a nightlight that helps people feel safe?
Yes. Long ago, when people traveled across the ocean, they saw the torch and knew they were reaching a new place where they could be free.
If I had a torch that big, I'd use it to roast 100 marshmallows at once. Mina! That would be the world's biggest s'more. I have a question. Why does she have 7 spikes on her crown? Is she a queen?
Not exactly. The 7 spikes stand for 7 continents and 7 oceans.
Oh. So, she's saying hello to the whole world.
Yes. She is a symbol for everyone, showing that freedom is for all people, no matter where they come from.
If I wore a crown with spikes, I'd feel like a superhero.
The Statue of Liberty is like a superhero, too. She stands tall, holding her torch high to light the way.
Next time we come, I'll bring her a card.
Now it's the time for quiz. Why was the Statue of Liberty given to the United States? Option A. It was built by the first American settlers. Option B. It was a gift from France to symbolize freedom and friendship. Think about how other countries can show friendship through gifts. Option B is correct. It was a gift from France to symbolize freedom and friendship. Which picture shows what the Statue of Liberty is holding in her right hand? Option A, a picture of a torch. Option B, a picture of a sword. Excellent. Option A is correct. The Statue of Liberty holds this high to light the way for freedom. Why does the Statue of Liberty wear a crown with 7 spikes? Option A, to show that she is the Queen of New York. Option B, to represent the 7 continents and 7 seas. Good job! Option B is correct. The Statue of Liberty welcomes people from all over the world. The Statue of Liberty is located in Washington, D.C. Is this statement true or false? Think about which city has a famous harbor where ships arrive. This statement is false. The Statue of Liberty is located in New York City. The 7 spikes on the Statue of Liberty's crown represent the 7 continents of the world. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. The statue welcomes people from all over the world. Good job, kids! Next time, we're reaching for the sky with an iconic tower. Stay tuned for a story as tall as the Empire State Building. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.